Dear audience of Atavatan TV Channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. Participation of the delegation of Turkmenistan in the 57th session of the UN Commission on Population and Development. Between April 29th and 30, 2024, a delegation from Turkmenistan, led by Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs Emeli Intellekt, participated in the 57th session of the UN Commission on Population and Development at the UN headquarters in New York, USA. The session's theme was the Program of Action of the International Conference on Population and Development and its contribution to the 2030 Agenda. Simultaneously, at the initiative of the Chairman of the UN General Assembly, a plenary meeting of the UN General Assembly took place on April 29th, dedicated to the 30th anniversary of the International Conference on Population and Development, ICPD. During this event, a global review was conducted, assessing the progress made within the framework of the implementation of the ICPD Plus 30 Program of Action. During the plenary session, Deputy Minister Emeli Intellekt presented Turkmenistan's national experience in achieving the goals and objectives outlined in the Global Program of Action regarding population. The country's achievements in the field of population were highlighted, and several proposals were put forward to enhance multilateral cooperation in this area, both regionally and globally. Meeting of the President of Turkmenistan and Rais of the Republic of Tatarstan of the Russian Federation. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov indeed met with Rustam Minikhanov, the Rais of the Republic of Tatarstan of the Russian Federation, to discuss the current state and prospects for further interaction between Turkmenistan and Tatarstan. They emphasized the importance of maintaining a productive dialogue between the two countries and strengthening their trade and economic partnership, highlighting the role of the Turkmen-Tatarstan Working Group on Cooperation. Minikhanov expressed the interest of Tatarstan's business circles in expanding their presence in Turkmenistan, citing the favorable investment climate in the country and Turkmenistan's reputation as a reliable partner. Additionally, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, the national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, also met with Minikhanov. During their meeting, they discussed further deepening the relations between Turkmenistan and Tatarstan, emphasizing the historical ties, cultural similarities, and mutual understanding between the two regions. This solid basis was seen as conducive to the constructive development of bilateral relations. Turkmen-Turkish political consultations took place in Ankara on April 25, 26, 2024. A working visit of the Turkmen delegation, led by Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan Ahmet Gurbanov, took place in Ankara to participate in political consultations between the Ministries of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan and the Republic of Turkey. As part of the first round of Turkmen-Turkish Interministry of Foreign Affairs consultations, on April 25th, at the Turkish Foreign Ministry, a meeting was held between Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan A. Gurbanov and Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Turkey B. Akçapar. During the meeting, a range of issues related to bilateral cooperation in political, diplomatic, trade, economic, and cultural humanitarian areas were discussed, and views were exchanged on issues of the regional and international agenda. Much attention was paid to the prospects for cooperation in the energy and transport sectors. The importance of regular consultations between the foreign ministries of the two countries was emphasized. In addition to this, issues regarding holding joint events to mark the 300th anniversary of the birth of the great classic of Eastern literature, Magtim Gulifragi, were discussed. On April 26th, the second round of political consultations between the foreign ministries of the two countries took place at the Turkish Foreign Ministry. The Turkmen delegation was headed by the Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, and the Turkish delegation was headed by the Director General of the Department for Cooperation with the Countries of the Turkic World and Central Asia of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Turkey, G. Tehran. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.